My projection on USDJPY is buy position. Market still move upward. Look at this on Forex Factory. Yesterday was the non-farm payroll. Look at this, the data. The actual came out to be 254K, above or far way more than the forecast and the previous. That is why we see a dramatic increase in the price of USDJPY all the way to the upside as predicted, and also Euro USD coming all the way to the downside. In this video, let's talk about this and next week projection and price analysis. All of this in this video. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more Forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for other Forex content. If you look at USDJPY on this very channel, yesterday I talked about buy bias and I said buy USDJPY. And the reason is because if you look at this very chart, I was looking at market moving all the way to the upside. And not only that, above this very level of important resistance. And if you've been following this channel and you are taking predictions from this very technical analysis, please comment below. And market is still going to move upward in the next week of trading because of this very non-farm payroll. The job number came out to be very, very huge, okay? Far way above forecast and far way above previous. That means the US economy is going back to a very good shape. So on the USDJPY, I am expecting that the market move upward just a little bit because market has been moving all the way from here all the way to this very point, so just a little bit, okay, maybe on Monday, and then market will begin to have a good decline before continuation all the way to the upside. And a buy position will not be necessarily good at this very point where the market is approaching, because this is a critical resistance at this very area. So what you need to do right now, if you are in a buy position, just like I said right here, is to consider taking profit from this very area as we open the market on Monday. And this is what I am personally looking at right now. If you look at the stochastic RSI, if you look at it, market is still at overbought condition, which means if market begin to cross below the 80% line out of the overbought condition, it is also a good sign that the market is going to begin to come back to the downside for a retracement before continuation to the upside. And this is what I am expecting right now. So still pay attention to buying the market, but after retracement, which is going to come into the market very, very soon. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now as we resume the market on Monday for next week trading. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, the 4-hour chart is showing us something different here, but more reason why you need to wait on taking buy position. And if you took a buy position from this very point, as I was talking about on this channel, please consider closing your position, because market is going to have a retracement before continuation all the way to the upside. And next week, I'm going to tell you the exact level that you need to pay attention to know when retracement have ended, so that you can take a buy opportunity all the way to the upside. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, market is still going to come back down. There is a potential of market moving a little bit upward as we resume the market on Monday before the final move all the way to the downside for this correction to come in, and then before continuation all the way to the upside as well on USDJPY. This is what I am personally expecting, okay? So if you're in a buy position, brace up and wait for a retracement, and then we'll enter again for another buy opportunity all the way to the upside on USDJPY. And on Euro USD, I've been talking about market coming back down, and if you notice this very chart, there is a break of structure at this very point of important support. So from this very area of support, market break structure from this very point right at this very area, okay? So this is a very key support right here. You see market move from this very point all the way to the upside from here upward. This is an impulsive move. We have retracement right here. Market move upward and then create a slight new high, and then market come back down and break the previous point of support. What does that mean? What that means is market is going to still move downward, number one. Number two, after this movement downward, we're going to have a retracement, and this will probably be the next resistance for the market to move upward the market is going to come back down as a result of this resistance that will be triggered as a result of this support right here, which will turn resistance at this very point before market is going to come back to the downside. And this is what I am now looking out for right now on Euro USD. So on Euro USD, as we resume the market on Monday, still expect the market to come back down a little bit before retracement. Just a little movement, because if you look at it, market has been moving down all the way from this very point of resistance all the way to the downside. So a slight movement downward approaching this level of support right here, then retracement, then continuation to the downside, because that is what I am not expecting on this very chart. And if you look at the stochastic RSI indicator from this very point, see that the market still have momentum of coming all the way to the downside, with the orange line above the blue line pointing downward, and it have not entered into the oversold condition yet. So we need to wait for this market to enter into oversold condition at this very point. Then from here, market is going to have retracement before continuation to the downside. So let's wait for the market to continue this movement all the way downward on the stochastic RSI indicator. And this is what I am personally looking at right now. So see how this aligns with your strategy and trade carefully as we resume the market on Monday, which is very, very important. And the next thing here is the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart is also very important, and it's going to tell us what we're going to do as we resume the market on Monday. If you look at it, the market is at this very point of support on the 4-hour chart, which means the 4-hour chart have high chance of market retracing upward. So from here, markets have capacity of coming back down a little bit to collect liquidity from this very point of support. Then after liquidity grab, we will see the market move upward for retracement. So very, very importantly, on the 4-hour chart, expect the market to just come back down a little bit, okay? And after this movement to collect liquidity from this very point of support, market will retrace and then continuation all the way to the downside. And this is what I am personally looking at right now on this very chart. So pay attention to market retracing within this level on the 4-hour chart, Euro USD. And this is very, very important. This is what I am now expecting. So what do you think about the market in the next coming week? Okay, what are you expecting? Comment below in the comment section of this very video. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other forex content. Thanks for watching.